What up, guys? We're back in the garage and it feels like it's been a minute. Two things. One, today we're just gonna clean up this garage first of all before we get started on any car stuff. We're gonna get the E36 all dialed up and quite possibly throw on the Welded Diff today, finally. And if we have time later tonight, we'll go find a random parking lot and do some skids. I also found someone who's selling the driver's side fender piece, which I kind of demolished when the wheel kind of rolled off on me on the road. Luckily, none of the suspension or anything underneath was really damaged because of the Z-Wing crash bar. Zach, again, thank you. Second thing, we got a new Kmart garage drift build car sitting right behind me. It is this E30, which is actually Clark's new drift build, but we're gonna be working on it collectively in this garage for when the track Badlands is finally opened here in Calgary. Well, it's still a little drive, but it's still closer than any other track near our city. It's supposedly going to be open to public in the next year or so. And it looks like these kids have already done some work. I told them to wait. This was actually super clean a few days ago, but they've already completely stripped the interior, leaving one seat, but everything else is gonzo. So if you guys don't know who Clark is, he is the owner of a soft top E30, and he recently traded his GTI daily driver for another E30, but now he has two. One is gonna be his really clean show car, and then this one is gonna be turned into a drift build. It's almost time to put the summer cars away and prep this thing for winter mode. Car day, let's do it. Kevin's car here for now until he figures out his engine situation, but he has an idea. No idea if it's gonna start or not. Ooh, so close. It doesn't have enough power. I was also kind of thinking maybe picking up new performance spark plugs for this thing. So we'll go do that while it's still charging. Try it again in like half an hour. If it doesn't start, we'll try to boost it with another car. Yeah, nah. Yo, you wanna come with me? Hello. Brandon's here. You wanna come with me to Auto Value real quick? Beautiful day. We have this Welded Diff just chilling here waiting for us to install it, but I think I have to buy fluid and stuff for it. Literally following this guide to do all of my mods on the E36. Installing a LSD. Fill the new final drive unit with good quality synthetic gear oil. Jolly bees. It's gonna be real quick. Calvary House, man. I commend that guy. Anyways, just down the road. I'm grabbing one. What do you guys think of the car?
He gifted the car 1 million out of 100. And I give it 1,557.
Kings must rise. Yeah.
Weird sentence, but I like it.
Yo, you want to try to put my door down?
I get to get it.
With the power of friendship. Let's get out of here, man.
Damn.
We spent like 30 minutes. What should have been 5 minutes?
Damn.
Peace out, guys. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Yo, I was waiting for you, man. I showed them your new drift build. Nice. What's the plan today?
My plan is just trying to organize all the trim pieces I removed from the car and doing the cleaning totally inside.
Yeah.
I remove all the junk or the pieces in my car.
Basically anything you don't need. It's good. That's rubbing, and that's just because like the inner fender liner is pushed in and squished. Man, fucking power, dude. Fender piece that I saw on Kijiji, it was for a sedan, so it didn't fit this. It didn't have the hole for the side marker. So I'm gonna do everything in my power to just pull this out. Worst case scenario, just look for a kit. That was part of the plan anyway. 300ZX. Those make for nice drift builds too. All right, my dudes, let's drift. It's this side that we gotta lift up a bit. Like, oh, that fitment's awesome. The rest that I thought I got rid of is coming back. But this is okay too. We just have to dismantle, take out all of the coil packs, and all of the spark plugs will be found underneath them. And I think it's an 8mm bolt. Why? And where'd you get that?
On Facebook Marketplace.
What?
Yeah.
That's sick, dude. The
Yeah.
Japanese version of Smash.
Yeah.
That's dope. So once you got those off, so right in there. Just the last one might be a little tricky to get to. This is my solution. Beautiful. All good. Let's work on taking out the airbag and basically this part you don't need. So before you do this step, you want to make sure that your battery is disconnected just so the airbag doesn't go off on you. Sweet. Really, I just want to take it around the parking lot and like see its turning radius and stuff. You hear that? I think that's like just the metal plate is bent from when we had the incident. Yo, I like what they did here, dude. They've put a fence and put some trees. Yeah, so it kind of looks like this is more private, I guess.
It looks professional.
Yeah.
Slide that shit, bro.
Yo, I gotta find places for my decals, man. This is definitely gonna be sticker bombed. Yes.
That shit.
Thanks, man. You're a natural. Maybe she's born with it.
Not really. I didn't try editing though.
Hey, maybe you can become my editor. That's what I need. This window's broken all of a sudden. Yeah. That's the farthest it goes out. We figure it out. So you just gotta push it up a little bit and then pull.
Almost there.
Oh, so close, dude. We're together now, okay?
Okay.
Oh! Hell yeah! I think that last one, just one more together, okay? What the fuck?
That was my vape.
Guys, Clark just showed me this, dude.
I know. That's fucking amazing, dude.
Seriously. Ah! And look, I actually have most of the stuff in here, so.
Actually, all of them.
Yeah. Oh, really? This is complete set?
Yeah.
No way.
Pristine.
Pristine. Wow. E36 owners. Look, that comes in clutch, bro. Damn.
I don't know for the inverter models.
Great.
Right, for older models. Yeah.
Done. Slowly but surely, we're gonna turn this into a casual drift build. It's gonna be like a show car, but drift spec. And I'm still doing all my research, what parts I should be looking into getting. I think it's best to actually just try to drift the car first and then just go from there and see like exactly what your car needs. Sweet. To join in on the fun. Here is the Welded Diff that we're going to be replacing, and it is heavy as fuck. But LJ was kind enough to give us the tool that we're going to need for the bolts. It's like a special star tool. Should only take us about an hour. You got these bolts, and then you got the same on this side. Easiest way to do this is to unbolt the rear sway bar, push that up, and then you'll have access to these bolts. So there's one here, and also one right there, and then one more right in behind, right there. Well, the welded diff basically means that both wheels are attached to one another. So if I turn one side, the other side turns as well. So you've seen this done plenty of times where they just take a small steel piece, wedge it inside the gears here and weld it together. It took me like 20 minutes to take out 2 bolts. And it's kind of hard to see under there. Losing light, and I'm kind of getting tired. I actually went to the gym this morning and I worked on my arms. Explains why they look a little bigger. Just kidding, I need work. Arms are tired, I'm sleepy, I'm getting hungry, and there's so much more work to do. But I'm gonna call it a night, continue this tomorrow. All right, next day, we're back. You only have like 6 more of these bolts to go, but they're really easy to strip and kind of stubborn, so you gotta be careful, and that's kind of why I'm going slow. That's pretty much all that's holding it in right now. Honestly, I think the easiest thing to do is you can use rust lubricant and you can just turn your wheels to the bolt that you're working on just to get the most leverage. Yeah. If you are super tight on space like we are here at the KMR garage, and you don't have that much room to get leverage, here's a trick you can do with the wrenches where you kind of just interlock them with each other. There's tension on it, so I'm pulling. This is what's gonna loosen it. I forgot to take these 4 bolts off the drive shaft, but these are the last of the bolts. Alright, the stock diff is finally out. Now we can get on to throwing in the welded diff, except we're going to change all of the oils inside this first. We're going to be going with this high performance lubricant by Redline. I had to pick one of these up. This is so you can take out the drain plug. Boom. It's a 14 millimeter. So you take out the top to relieve pressure, and when you're draining it, make sure that you have something to drain it into. Alright, we got the new fluid in the diff. Now we just have to reverse the process and we can get this thing installed. Oh, okay, this is way heavy. I'm just gonna ask Clark to help me out. Power of friendship. Thanks, Clark. We have to back it up just a bit. I think we're done. Woo! We'll throw on the wheel, clean up a little bit, because, yeah, I plan on kind of organizing this place and redoing the floors and just making it look like a neat garage slash shop. Maybe we can go find a random parking lot. This is no welded diff. Because the gears are physically attached to each other. Torque your wheels. Yes. All right. First test drive, let's do this. So far so good. But it's when you're turning and stuff, you can totally feel it. Oh, what did I just stumble upon? Best way to welcome a new drift build. Bad influences.
Yeah.
Just kidding. It's all me. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. You guys got a small taste of the Welded Diff. It's just a matter of finding somewhere to actually do these things. And we don't have a track anywhere here, so we can't do controlled racing. We can't drift. But yeah, man. It is what it is. You guys are gonna get more updates on the E36 as well as Clark's E30, which is like completely stripped already. These guys can move quick. Thank you for cleaning up. Damn.
Weight reduction.
For sure. Okay, cool. We'll see you guys later. Thanks.
Later.
Thanks for the help. Okay, the plan is to actually clean this garage up, and we're gonna prep the floors, clean it up, and we're gonna finish painting it. Like, we only did 1/3 of this black. And it looked nice when it's not super dusty and dirty. I mean, if you actually took one of those buffer machines to the floor, I bet you can get it to like a super sheen. It'll almost look like oil. But if we did the entire garage in this black, no flake, I feel like it's gonna look so nice on photos. And we're gonna clean everything up. So have all the tires mounted on the wall on tire racks. That's another thing. But for now, I'm gonna end this video. So if you guys wanna get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Ciao.